Hello friends, is it possible in the near future that the whole world will speak a single language? Yes, it is possible, but not very easily. You know that we are living on the same planet, we have same brain, and why should not we speak the same language? Language means that the culture of the people, those speak that specific language. But you are seeing that English is progressing day by day in the whole world. All countries of the world, people are learning this language. The young generation, young people are learning English language. And you know that the language of default language of internet, science and technology is the English language. And there are chances that in coming future most of the people will speak the same language. That will be the English language. And how can we make a single language for the whole world? There are some suggestions. These are my suggestions, my own suggestions. That if you give people a option, a choice, that whosoever will learn the English language will be paid scholarship monthly for the rest of the life. Then with this greed, people will learn this language, that after learning this language they will be paid. In this way, I think that most of the people will try to learn the language. English language or any language which is set for scholarship, that whosoever will learn the specific language will be paid scholarship on monthly basis, and that scholarship should be according to the basis of that how much beautiful you speak the language. There must be the grades, that you are speaking the language in A grade, you are speaking the language in B grade, C grade, D grade, and in this way they will be paid. Whosoever will speak the good language will be paid highly, and whosoever will speak the medium level will be paid less, and who is weak will be paid very less. In this way, I think that people will love to learn single language, and in near future when new generation will come, they will speak the single language. Otherwise, there are so many languages on this planet, and those languages reflects the culture of those people, and those languages cannot be finished, but single language can be spread throughout the world. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, I Altaf Malik, and before leaving please subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.